On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video call problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Snapchat right here, click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are turned on. Go back and then click on data usage and then make sure that the mobile data is enabled and the Wi-Fi is enabled, and turn off the background data and the roaming data. Go back again and click on the storage, click on clear cache and then go back to the home page. Open the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.